You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the currency of Myanmar or Burma. If you want to learn more currency names, by the way, that are confusing and that everybody gets wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn. It's pronounced either Kyat, that's British English pronunciation, Kyat. The Americans say it as Chat. Some may pronounce it also as Kshat. I believe Kshat is the more local pronunciation. But in English, Kyat or Chat. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.